If you're having trouble with the ear training and want to practice specific intervals, I will show you how to do that. Go to MusicTheory.net, type it into the browser at the top, and this page should show up. And then under Exercises, click Exercises and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Ear Training, and it has some purple icons. And right now we're doing interval ear training. So you can click that and it will immediately start firing some at you. And you'll notice that it has 10 different intervals here, including minor second and minor thirds, which we haven't practiced. So you can, by clicking the wheel over here, is where you can customize the drill. Here's where you can select which intervals you want to sound. So let's say you're having trouble discerning between the perfect fourth and the perfect fifth. You can uncheck everything else except those two. And whoops, unclick the perfect fifth as well. Okay, and then when you click off of it, it'll just have those two. Just zero in on those two. Whoops, I got it wrong. There's and there's a lot of other settings here. You can set the play mode. I would set it, the way I have it set is it'll play ascending and then at the same time. But there's other settings there. You can set the speed. You can set what instrument is used. I'm going to be drilling you with the piano, so that's probably where you want to keep it, but maybe you want to try something else, and if you suggest it to me, maybe I can change the instrument. You can set the range. I think I have your drills maybe from E to D, something like that. So somewhere in that range. The number there is the octave. Range mode, meaning do both notes have to be in that range. You can select next question. Right now it's set to immediate. As soon as you answer one, it'll give you another. You can make it so you have to tap, or it'll play it first for you so you can hear it before it moves on. And here's the challenge mode, where you can challenge yourself. How many can you get in a specific amount of time? Or you can set a question limit and try to get a certain percent of those right. So lots of customization options. There's lots of other drills too. If you wanted to work on note identification, here's where that would be, or key signatures. And note identification, you can select which clef, the range, the keys. Right now it's set for solfege, but you could do it letter names instead. Okay, and then it would have different letter names, and you can customize it however you would like. And so that's a way you can practice on your own.